this water filter is what you need if you need something portable and you want to keep your water clean. Definitely check this out from BKLES. This was a sample given to me by the brand. Thank you so much. This is the Model 2000. Let me take out the packaging and show you what it's like. So it also comes with a little instruction manual. These are some pieces that I'll show you now, and this is the filter. So it comes with this to help you filter the water. So it comes with the accessories, as you can see. There you go. Has the cable and the straws and all of that. So has everything you need here. I'm gonna put that down in the box. So you have the water filter. So it has these little buttons here. You would press this to begin the filtration. And as you can see, you can hear it. Let me put it near my mic. So that's what it sounds like. And yeah, and then of course you can just take this part. Let me turn it off. Also has a little light there you can do. And then you just press this to turn it off. And this is the light. So, and you can also open it here. Oh, I'm sorry. You would open it here to drink the water. So yeah, so it's really great. Small, light, not heavy at all. So this is what you need if you want to get some portable water. Definitely check it out, and thank you so much.